Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Reishi powder updated. Start by drying whole Reishi slices until they snap, then grind to a fine, consistent powder using a spice grinder or high-speed blender. I will guide you through checking moisture, choosing grind settings, and sieving for uniform texture. By the end, you will have shelf-stable Reishi powder ready for teas, capsules, or formulas, with tips to preserve potency and flavor. In this video, I will explain how to make Reishi powder updated. Begin with choosing a drying method that suits your schedule and equipment, like gentle dehydrator settings or slow air drying on a rack. Monitor pieces for brittleness and consistent dryness, rotating pieces for even airflow. Proper drying prevents mold and preserves active compounds, so take time to dry thoroughly before grinding to ensure a potent and long-lasting powder. In this video, I will review how to make Reishi powder updated. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart navigation, so you spend less time cleaning and more time crafting remedies. I love how it handles crumb cleanup after processing herbs and mushrooms, and it pairs nicely with kitchen prep routines. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help make Reishi powder updated. Grind in short pulses to prevent heat buildup, then sift the ground material through a fine mesh to separate coarse fibers. Reprocess any large bits until the powder is consistent and smooth for easy use in teas or capsules. Store the finished powder in airtight jars with desiccant packets if needed, and label jars with date and batch notes for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.